everybody, welcome back to the Johnny Scribbles Show. Joining me today is my special guest, this bottle of scotch that I put googly eyes on. Why? Because I've been in coronavirus pandemic lockdown for 60 days and I am losing my freaking mind. Alright, so I was working on this larger piece and then I realized something, that I am bored. Happens. So I decided that I just wanted to paint. I didn't want to think too hard about what it was. But if you may remember from my last video, I don't have anything to paint on. But what I do have is cardboard boxes. Lots of them. All right, so without further ado, let's do the thing. Yeah. All right, so that's it. I got 2 paintings on cardboard. I feel it came out pretty well. The texture of the cardboard was definitely a thing. You hear that? Cool. I'm told that I'm supposed to tell people to press the the button down on that side. I don't know if you would like to like and subscribe. Oh God, I can't. Press buttons if you want. I don't care. I don't know what else to say about these. Yeah, okay. Bye, I guess.